This is how to reset the service warning, or, as it's going to come up any second, your maintenance filter warning light on your Nissan Navara. This is a 2016-2017 model, but as long as you've got that dashboard and the enter up and down joypad thing and the back button, it should work for you. So from the seatbelt window, we're just going to press enter. It's then going to give us the warning. We're going to press enter again, get back to the main window, and then you're going to go up and down to settings. I'm already on settings, but if I just go up and down a couple of times, there we go, into settings, press the enter, which is just pressing the button. There we go, and then you can see down near the bottom, maintenance. So we're going to go down to that, press the enter, and then into service first. Now, it's not quite due, but we're doing it anyway, and it's coming up with the warning, so we're going to do it, and then press enter again, and then it's going to ask you if you want to reset. So press up, which is literally that, press yes, so press enter, count to 3, there we go, that's the service reset. Then you can use the back button, and then down to filter, just down the one. As you noticed, it said 18,000 on the service, so we're going to press enter into the filter, down to reset, press reset, up to reset, press enter, and there it is, reset. So from there again, back button, back button, back button, back to settings, put it back to the speedo, and then we'll just cycle the ignition. Shut the parking sensors up, and then once it's done its thing, we'll have no warning. There we go, press enter, back to the speedo, no warning lights. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.